If you only knew how many times I replayed our last conversation in my head, how many nights I stayed up wondering if you ever thought about me the way I still think about you. I smiled through the pain, laughed with people, but every quiet moment brought me back to you. Kung alam mo lang, gabi-gabi kitang iniisip. Sa bawat sandaling wala ka, tila may kulang. Sinubukan kong kalimutan ka. Sinubukan kong itapon lahat ng alaala, mga tawa, tingin at mga pangakong hindi naman natupad. Pero, paano mo buburahin ang isang taong naging parte ng bawat araw mo? Hindi mo siguro alam kung ilang ulit kong gustong mag-reach out. Ilang beses kong tinype ang kumusta ka? At ilang ulit ko ring binura. Ayokong maging abala. Ayokong malaman nang hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang sinisigaw ng puso ko, pilit na tumatahimik. Kung may tanong kang hindi mo pa nasagot, ako yun. Yung what if, natahimik lang pero mabigat. You see, I never stopped caring. I just stopped showing it. Because sometimes, loving someone means letting them go. Even when your whole soul wants to stay. And even there ever comes a time or ever comes a day when you feel something missing, a familiar ache, a quiet longing in the middle of the night, maybe that's me. Maybe that's the part of us that never ended. If you only knew, I love you fully, quietly, and truthfully. Maybe in another time you would have loved me too. But even if you never do, I hope you remember me when the world turns silent, when laughter fades with the lights go out, and you're left with nothing but your thoughts. I hope you remember the warmth, the way I listened to your silence, not just your words, the way I stayed even when you pushed me away with your fears. Because I never loved you half-heartedly. I never showed up halfway. I gave you the best of me, and even the broken part I never let anyone see. So if one day you find yourself reaching for something you can't name, a softness, a safety, a kind of peace, that was me. And even if I'm no longer there, I hope you carry the love with you. Because I did. I still do. Quietly, but always.